Welcome to our tutorial on refactoring legacy code with Claude AI. In today's fast-paced tech world, maintaining and modernizing legacy code is essential for keeping your applications efficient and up-to-date. Claude, with its advanced language understanding and code generation capabilities, offers a powerful toolset to streamline this daunting task. In this video, we will learn how to leverage Claude's features for effective refactoring. We'll cover practical steps and best practices, ensuring that you walk away with actionable insights. So, whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, stick around to discover how Claude can make your coding life easier. Let's get started. Before we dive into using Claude, it's crucial to understand what refactoring is. Refactoring involves restructuring existing computer code without changing its external behavior. The goal is to improve non-functional attributes of the software, making it easier to maintain and extend. With Claude, you can automate parts of this process, saving you time and reducing human error. Let's break down the steps of refactoring. First, identify areas of the code that need improvement, such as redundancy or complexity. Next, use Claude to generate cleaner, more efficient code snippets. Finally, test the refactored code thoroughly to ensure functionality remains intact. This structured approach, augmented by Claude's capabilities, can significantly enhance your workflow. To start using Claude for refactoring, you'll need to set up an account if you haven't done so yet. Simply visit the Claude homepage, sign up, and log in. Once you're in the interface, you can navigate to the code generation feature. Here, you can input code snippets or describe the issues you're facing. Claude's natural language processing capabilities allow it to understand context, making it easier to get relevant suggestions. I recommend starting with a small piece of legacy code to test the waters. This way, you can see how Claude interprets your requests and provides solutions. Remember, the clearer your input, the better the output will be. Now that you're set up, let's dive into using Claude for inspecting legacy code. Start by copying a segment of your legacy code into the input area. Ask Claude specific questions such as, "How can I simplify this function?" or "Can you help me eliminate redundancy?" Claude will analyze the code and offer suggestions for refactoring. You might receive responses in the form of improved code snippets or detailed explanations of best practices. Take note of these suggestions, as they can provide insights into modern coding standards. Always validate the suggestions by testing them in your development environment to ensure they integrate well with your existing codebase. Once you've received Claude's suggestions, it's time to implement the changes. Copy the suggested code and replace the old segments in your codebase. After making these changes, it's crucial to run a series of tests. Automated testing frameworks can be incredibly useful here, as they allow you to quickly validate that the functionality remains intact and errors have not been introduced. Remember to check edge cases and ensure that everything works as intended. Testing is a vital step in refactoring, as it helps you maintain code quality and reliability. If any issues arise, you can reconsult Claude for further refinements. To maximize your experience with Claude when refactoring, keep a few best practices in mind. First, always back up your code before making significant changes. This will save you from potential mishaps. Next, keep your queries specific and concise when asking Claude for help. The clearer you are, the more relevant Claude's responses will be. Additionally, consider using version control to manage changes effectively. This allows you to track your modifications and revert back if necessary. Lastly, stay updated on programming standards and trends, as these can influence how you refactor your code. With these practices, you will enhance both your coding skills and your efficiency when using Claude. In this tutorial, we explored how to refactor legacy code using Claude AI. We discussed the importance of refactoring, how to set up Claude, and practical steps to inspect and implement code improvements. Remember, effective refactoring not only enhances existing code, but also contributes to better software maintainability. As you move forward, Continue to experiment with Claude's capabilities, and don't hesitate to reach out to the community for support and ideas. Refactoring can be a challenging but rewarding process, and with Claude by your side, you're well equipped to tackle even the most daunting legacy code. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!